Guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to update standard Express controller in Windows 11. So let's get started. So first of all, you have to go to search bar and type device manager. Open device manager, maximize the window. Now here in the left side you can see all the listed drivers. So you have to go to storage controllers. Now you can see standards Express controller here. Right click on it and click on update driver option. Now here you can see two options here: search automatic for drivers as well as browse my computer for drivers. Now click on search automatic for drivers. Now in my case it's already up to date, so you can check in your PC or laptop whether you got an update or not. Close this window, again close this window. Now go to settings and search for settings. You will see a gear like option here. Open settings. Now after opening the settings, in the last option you can see the option Windows Update. So click on here and go for check for updates. So right now it will take 15 to 20 seconds. Till then you can like my video and subscribe to my channel. It will tell you drivers list, so you can update directly from here in your Windows 11 PC. And you can just turn off this notification, so you can updated notification whenever your PC or laptop got an update from Microsoft. So in my case my laptop is up to date. You can check in your PC as well. And guys, thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye, take care.